Yo YouTube, today we're talking about for episode how to get free passes and gems. I always wanted to get unlimited gems and passes in episode and finally found only working method. This is application Episode++ and it's like the modded version, and this application works for Android or iOS device in 2023. To get free gems and passes, all you to do, we must enter amount as you want. So I show you how it works. I enter my number. Okay, the next step is press generate, and now as you can see everything is generated. Way to complete of this process. After complete, our account will be open and every gems and passes will be generated for our account. Wait maybe 1 minute and boom, look of this Episode++ application is really working in 2023. As you can see, now I have unlimited gems and passes in episode. So where I found this application, Episode++. To get this application for mobile device, for Android or iOS device, all you to do, we must open browser, follow me, scroll down and type this the episode, and the last step is press install. Way to finish this process, the last step is verification, those sponsor game. Follow all instructions. After complete every step, Episode++ will be installed for your Android or iOS device in 2023.